Hello everybody, this is Sundance and Yahoo Sundance, and I want to warmly welcome you to another episode of Loving Life TV. Today we are so fortunate as we both will do a snorkel dive tour here to Cano Island in Costa Rica, and I of course just grabbed my camera because we both would like you to be part of this and share these impressions with you. It's very early in the morning and we're about to start here. They're just loading the boat and we're really excited to get going and take you with us. So enjoy and dream a little bit about Costa Rica. Here we go, friends. Mm-hmm.
That was awesome.
Here comes our boat.
Bro. Yeah. Again. Don't hang out with the engine.
Nochmal? Das sind sie, dass du dabei bist. So guys, this was our dive and snorkel tour today here in Cano Island, Costa Rica. We really would like to thank you for being with us and sharing this very beautiful day with us. We are about to get home now. Yeah, I hope we got you dreaming a little bit. If you like this video, please subscribe here on YouTube. Check me out on Facebook. And if you would like to have more information about Costa Rica, you can visit me on my website, howtomovetocostarica.com. And yeah, just check out more free videos, resources, and articles about this beautiful country. We would like to say bye-bye now and see you back in the next couple of days. Bye-bye.